Watch, listen and speak. Learn days of the week.
How many days are there in a week?
There are 7 days in a week. Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Thursday. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Friday. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. Sunday. Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Now read one by one. Days of the week. First day is Monday. Second day is Tuesday. Third day is Wednesday. Fourth day is Thursday. Fifth day is Friday. Sixth day is Saturday. Seventh day is the Sunday. Like, share and subscribe for fun learning videos. Thank you. Bye bye.